Hi, joining us today is Mr. Hitesh Gupta, the visionary technologist powering innovation at Smart QR. As a company's chief technology officer, Hitesh is known for his deep technical expertise, product foresight, and ability to transform complex healthcare challenges into scalable digital solutions. From architecting cutting edge platforms driving Smart QR's roadmap, he plays a crucial role in shaping the technology that fuels Smart QR's mission. So, Hitesh, it's a pleasure to have you here on our podcast today. What is the technology behind INGENE?
See, Sanjana, the ideology was, to build a technology which is very compact and portable for the patients, for the challenges they are facing. So after a lot of brainstorming, the entire team came up, let's do with the genetic testing. So that's how, the idea came up for engine. So the engine has three different components into the system. So one component is the PCR section where all your DNA reactions are happening. And so we have another section of, which we term it as gel electrophoresis, where the DNA separation of, your body markers are, getting separated into a gel format, then kept into the third section, which is a UV chamber, where if we say in a term, all the magic is happening there. So the image is taken out of there, and a lot of analysis been happening over that image. So that's where the AI and the ML technology coming is. It's a proprietary technology developed by the team. So that's how the entire product has shaped up with a lot of ideas between different team members.
Interesting. Yeah, so Hitesh, what is the role of AI and ML in INGENE? How does it impact our industry?
Into healthcare, there are very few players into this because AI is quite difficult into healthcare because it needs a lot of precision. So that's how, getting more or more data about genetics and all, we have trained our ML models to analyze the image, gets the insight out of that, and then it is fed to our AI engine model, where it scrap a lot of data across, various websites, various, FDA approved websites. It collects data and it self-trains it. And that's how, the report that is generated by analyzing the DNA separation of your markers of your body, we are, giving key risk of analysis of your genetic data. We are giving recommendations for your doses, how medicines and what medicines the patient should intake, depending upon, the type of uh, issue that is happening into his body. That's how, but of course, AI is, a very vital role to give it to be to the precise. So, it keeps on self-training it across, what is data being generated across the world into healthcare. And of course, the future is very bright for engine for AI because a lot of new things are, lined up in future for us.
Okay, so now we know so much about INGENE. So, whom and how do you think your solution is going to benefit?
See, ultimately, the end user is the patient, whom we are giving all the insights. So they are the most benefited person out of that. Because the problem in today's world is the turnaround time. It takes number of days to get your genetic analysis and not to be, that precise to your body itself. And of course, genetic data varies from, demographic areas. So that's how, our AI model is very vital. So that's how the patients, and of course, another person getting benefited is the doctors. The lot of inflows are there for the patients now, and doctors don't have time, to read out the reports. So our reports are, well descriptive, so that doctors understand. Even it's self-explainable to the patient.
So, Hitesh, it has been a pleasure to having you on our podcast, and we're looking forward to see you again.
Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned for the future.